Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share another video in the harmonic plug connector series, and that is the Hyundai iX35 2014, which belonging to the 2010 and 2017 generation. This one comes with the factory radio like this, and we had already removed the phaser and the port. So if you want to know how to remove it, we have another video in our system. Just have a look. And this one, it has 3 connector at the back end. Okay, so 2 big one and 1 radio antenna, and what it looks like is here. 2 big one is the white and the white. Okay, this one was easy to remove, press it down and slide, but this one is very tight, so we have to actually push it all the way in, press it down very firm and take it out. Okay, so they come out 2 connector, and the last one, the third one, is the standard round radio connector. Okay, so that's about it. And if you want to see how we are doing the 9-inch touchscreen system full package into this car, simply look at another video link at the end of this one, or check in our video system. Thank you and see you then.